Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to soundboard sounds on Discord server. So let's start. So I'm here on Discord app and on my Windows. So just click on the channel that you want to add that soundboard. Just click on server in the left side. So just click here and then let's go to server settings. Let's click here on server settings. Just go to soundboard and just click on upload the song here, and then just click on choose a file, browse, and then just click here on the sound that you want to add. In this case I want to add this one. Just click on open and then you can select the sound that you want to take on this way. Okay, sound here, and you can select the sound name. You can click here and then just click on add an emoji if you want. You can select the emoji that you prefer for your sound. So in this case I want to select this one. So then just click on upload. Then just close this. And if you want to use your soundboard on a channel or something like that, just go click here on user settings and you can select here the soundboard that appears or that you upload on your server channel here. So that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.